want to chat with you about green tea and the benefit with skin health.
Yes, so green tea originated in China during the reign of Emperor Shennong and is now produced all around the world. So green tea comes from the Camellia sinensis plant, and it comes from the leaves and the bud of the plant. And green tea is actually one of the most popular teas for consumption due to its many health benefits.
Green tea is filled with antioxidants, and it has shown promising benefits associated with heart health, specifically its ability to help lower blood pressure.
And when used on the skin, the polyphenols in green tea can help protect the skin against damaging UV rays. So the UV rays can actually cause wrinkles and dark spots.
Its anti-inflammatory properties can really help with skin conditions such as rosacea. And if you do suffer from acne-prone skin, the antibacterial properties of green tea will help with those acne flare-ups, and they will also help unclog your pores.
And an antioxidant in green tea called EGCG helps combat the signs of aging, and vitamin B2 helps produce collagen in your skin to give you that youthful appearance. And then vitamin E helps hydrate the skin and also helps support cell growth.
Yeah, and the caffeine and tannins in the green tea really help with the appearance of puffy eyes and the dark under eye circles.
Yes, so if you put cool down green tea bags underneath your eyes, it can help with the appearance of those dark circles and makes you look more awake and vibrant.
That's actually one of my favorite beauty hacks.
Oh, nice.
Today, we want to focus on our green tea soap. This is Plantlife green tea soap, and you can actually see the green tea leaves inside the soap.
Yeah, and I love this soap. It's so great, especially for the face, because it has little to no smell.
And this soap, like the rest of our soaps, is all natural. It does not contain any chemicals, any dyes, any synthetics. It's 100% natural.
So hopefully this gave you a little bit of insight to green tea and some of its benefits.
You can always find more information on our website, plantlife.net. Let us know in the comments below what you would like to hear about next time.
Yes, and we appreciate you all for watching, and we'll see you next time.
Bye.